Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what's filling iCloud. Open Settings, tap your name and go to iCloud, right arrow Manage Storage so you see percentages and file categories. Make sure you are signed into the correct Apple ID. If not, sign out and sign in to avoid removing the wrong data. Once done, trigger a manual iCloud backup. Backup now so you have a current snapshot. This protects you while you delete. It's faster to restore anything accidentally removed. Next, you tackle the biggest culprits: photos, messages, and app backups. Enable Optimize iPhone storage to keep lower res copies locally and delete duplicates or bulky videos from photos. Then open messages and remove conversations or attachments you don't need. Go to Details or Info to delete large files one by one. Finally, open iCloud Manage Storage, select Device Backups, and turn off apps that don't need cloud backup. This stops future growth and frees immediate space. Finish by removing obsolete device backups and any lingering app data. In iCloud Manage Storage, delete backups from devices you no longer use. This often frees multiple GBs. Offload or delete apps under Settings or the App Store and choose to remove their iCloud data when prompted. Once complete, check free space and let iCloud reindex. If you encounter sync errors or missing files, sign out of iCloud, restart the device, and sign back in. This often resolves stuck storage counts and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.